Alright family, just a quick video. I'm up here at the Tractor Supply and I noticed that they had some citrus. So they got Naval Orange, 69 bucks. Another Naval. Satsuma Tangerine. I got that one. Got my Satsuma about 3 years ago. But they little citrus trees are nice sizes. When I started getting citrus, they was $100 a tree at my local nursery. So 69 is a lot better than what I started with. But yeah, they got the Satsumas, Naval Oranges, and they have this ruby, star ruby grapefruit, and it's $100. That's a huge pot it's in for sure. Let's see what else. Another Naval Orange. Satsuma. Y'all know Miss Love some citrus. Lemons. Like somebody been taking some cuttings off of that one. Oh, and there's one hanging out the pot. I hate to see trees laid out like this. Especially when we trying our best to keep trees alive and healthy. I really want this lime. It's better than the key lime that keep dying on me. But it's all tore out the bucket too. So this is what the Tractor Supply got going on. And they down here like this. Let me go on the other side. They got a few vegetables. I didn't do no starters this year. I did everything from seed. Trying to get away from those starters and learn how to grow from seed. Red Naval Orange. I'm gonna have to look that one up. Red Naval Orange. So is the skin red or is the flesh red like the blood orange? Because I do want a blood orange. Look at the apple. What kind of apple is this? Let's see if we can. Anna apple. Well, Anna has one apple on her today. One apple. Aphids love apple trees. Let's see what else they got. This is the biggest selection of citrus I have ever seen at Tractor Supply. Oh, we got some little limes on it. Or lemons. What is this? Lemon. Got some in bloom. This is a nice looking peach tree. Big thick trunk. And what they want for it? $100 too. So I was just telling y'all that I wanted a blood orange, and I
found that John is up there in the front thinking about copying it.
I was just looking at this one, and it says red navel orange. Look up red navel orange. Tangerine, grapefruit. This a Ray Ruby grapefruit. Red. It said red navel orange. I said, look at these peach trees. They are beautiful. I have never seen Tractor Supply have this much. And look at the little apple. You hear me?
Yeah. It's that
Look at that fig tree. Look how big that fig tree is.
Cara navel orange or red flesh navel orange is an early to medicinal navel orange is noted for a pinkish or reddish orange flesh. It's to believe have quickly developed
A spontaneous bud mutation on a standard Washington navel orange tree. They have so much this year. These fig trees are huge. Pecan, tangerine. Got some different kind of leaves on it. They sure got a different variety this year. Look how big this lime tree is. Look at this lime tree. I wish my lime would get this big. What variety is this? Because I know it ain't no key lime. Yes, it is. Key lime thorny. And our key limes keep dying. Bless whoever hard get this.
that's the tree though.
They all grow into a tree.
Is this the one that's harder to
Ain't no key lime harder to nothing but 50 degrees.
I told you hard is 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's not true, baby. We know that's not true.
Yeah. I was looking for the other one because we found one that was down low.
Yeah, it's over there. They got that too.
They got it too.
I can't pronounce it. It started with a P, but it's over there too. But this key lime is not gonna make it here in our zone.
That's a big one. Whoever they had it for a while.
Yeah, that's
And
huge.
they kept cutting it off of it.
Yep. They done got all kind of cuttings off of it.
Yep.
But go ahead on Tractor Supply this year. What's that? Ray Ruby. Look at this fig. What is this? With some fruit on it. Oh, this a grapefruit with fruits. But these big pots $100. I told them when we started getting our citrus trees, we was paying $100 for trees that weren't even half this size. Okay, so we're finna go up here to the front. See what he talking about. It's a satsuma, so if that's the case, then we do have a tangerine. I hope y'all can see because it's cloudy. It's been storming here every single day. Oh, this it? You brought it? You brought it over here? I didn't see that sitting there.
That's what they look like.
The blood orange. I do want a blood orange, y'all. I really, really do. But I don't know if I want to start it from that small.
You ain't gonna have no choice. They ain't gonna give it to her no bigger.
Look at this banana tree. They beautiful, but we'll never get bananas here in this zone. I want a blood orange, but I don't want it that small. Well, let's head to the front. We came to get chicken feed, y'all. So, once I see trees out, I just hate that it's like that. Once I see trees and stuff out, honey, I got to get out and see what's going on, what they got, or what we can add to our collection.
Probably too.
Look, he just as ready as me, but I'm trying to fix my impulse buying. I already knew what I wanted for this year to add to the collection, and it was the blood orange and that hardy lime. But yeah, today we just doing chicken feed, y'all. All right, what they got?
Blood oranges. That's how little they is.
And I don't want to start no tree from this small.
We ain't gonna get it no bigger, man.
You don't know, we have to be patient, just keep getting out.
Look how long it took us to find it. They don't be here like this.
I remember when I got my variegated lemon. It wasn't this Tractor Supply, but it's done grew huge and died back and growing huge again with the pink lemons. Turn around, let me see. But see, it don't tell you what kind of kumquat. This say Cali kumquat. And look at it, ain't no leaves on it. It's just thin and brittle. Kumquats are similar to them calamundins we got. But yep, Tractor Supply, they getting them out here. They getting them out here. What is this? The calamundins. We got plenty of calamundins.
So one thing, we ain't got no kumquat that we wanted, and we don't have.
I wanted the
orange.
Miwa kumquat,
Yeah.
and I wanted the blood orange. But I don't think I want to start it from that small
nice
of a.
It's still a nice size though. It's bigger than the other.
Yeah. Well, we'll just continue to keep an eye out for it. Off to get chicken feed. I call myself going on in the store so we can get the chicken feed. Baby done already got the chicken feed, so that's it on this video, y'all. So, hope you enjoyed what Tractor Supply brought, because I enjoyed it. And I'm going to see what else is out here. And if not, hopefully I can come back here and get 2 of the varieties I really want. Peace and blessings.